Hey tea lovers! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of beverages. Today, we have an exciting showdown. Matcha versus green tea. Both have gained popularity for their health benefits. But what sets them apart? Join me as we uncover the unique qualities, flavors, and health advantages of these two beloved teas. Are there any importance in consuming matcha versus green tea? Certainly. Here are key importance of both matcha and green tea. Importance of matcha. 1. High antioxidant content. Matcha contains particularly catechins, which help to fight against free radicals and protect the body from oxidative stress and damage. 2. Enhanced mental clarity and relaxation. Matcha contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes a state of calmness and relaxation while improving mental focus and clarity. 1. Boosts energy and endurance. Matcha provides a sustained release of energy due to its importance of green tea. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Green tea is packed with antioxidants. 2. Including catechins and flavonoids, which have been linked to numerous health benefits such as reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall well-being. 3. Heart health support. Regular consumption of green tea has been associated with a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. 3. It may help lower blood pressure, reduce LDL cholesterol levels, and improve overall heart health. 4. Weight management aid. Green tea has been studied for its potential role in weight management. 4. It can boost metabolism, increase fat oxidation, and help in maintaining a healthy body weight when combined with a balanced diet and exercise. Remember, the importance and benefits of matcha and green tea can vary for individuals. So it's essential to consider personal preferences and health conditions, and consult with a healthcare professional if needed. These two beloved teas' unique qualities, flavors, and health advantages. Understanding matcha. Let's kick things off by delving into the wonderful world of matcha. Origins and preparation. We'll explore the origins of matcha in Japanese tea ceremonies, and the meticulous process of shade growing, harvesting and stone grinding the tea leaves into a fine powder. Vibrant green color and flavor. Discover matcha's vibrant green hue and unique umami taste, which sets it apart from other teas. Caffeine boost. Highlighting the energizing of matcha. It provides a sustained release of energy compared to coffee or regular green tea. Exploring green tea. Now, let's shift our focus to the ever-popular green tea varieties and cultivation. Discussing the different types of green tea, including sencha, gyokuro, and jasmine, along with their cultivation methods and unique flavor profiles. Health benefits. This has numerous health benefits for you and you alone, such as its high antioxidant content, potential weight loss support, and contribution to heart health. Moderated caffeine content. Green tea contains less caffeine compared to matcha, making it a suitable option for those seeking a milder stimulant effect. Health benefits and differences both. Now, let's compare the health benefits and key differences between matcha and green tea. Antioxidant power. Both matcha and green tea are rich in antioxidants, but matcha boasts higher levels due to Whole powdered tea leaf consumption. Calming effects. The unique amino acid, L-theanine, is found in both teas, which promotes relaxation and mental clarity. Nutritional profiles. Comparing the nutritional composition of matcha and green tea, including vitamins, minerals, and fiber content. Usage and culinary delights. Let's explore the versatility of matcha and green tea beyond sipping. Culinary delights. Various culinary applications of matcha and green tea in recipes like desserts, smoothies, and savory dishes. Traditional tea ceremony. Let's explore the cultural significance and artistry behind the Japanese matcha tea ceremony. Take a look at the elegance and mindfulness associated with the practice. Choosing the right tea for you. Now that we've examined the qualities of matcha and green tea, how do you decide which one is right for you? 1. Taste preference. Try both matcha and green tea to determine their flavor preferences, as each has a distinct taste. 2. Lifestyle considerations. Factors such as caffeine tolerance, desired health benefits, and personal preferences should be considered too when choosing between matcha and green tea. There you have it, tea enthusiasts. We've explored the fascinating world of matcha and green tea, uncovering their unique qualities and health benefits. Whether you're a matcha aficionado or a green tea enthusiast, both teas offer their own delightful experiences and potential health perks. Remember to embrace the journey of discovering your favorite tea. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, sip and savor the goodness.